Is there a short syntax for creating a new list based on the values of existing list? In this session, we are going to learn list comprehension, which does that. Okay guys, I'm Moses from Learn Python. You're welcome. In this session, you will learn list comprehension in Python. Here we go. List comprehension offers a short syntax for creating a new list based on the values of existing list. For example, let's say you have a list of fluids, okay? Then after, you want a new list of fluids which contain fluids which starts with letter A, okay? So this is a very basic method every Python beginner would use. Any Python beginner will use for loop, if statement, okay, start with, and append method, okay, so as to append a new list with fluid's name which starts with letter A. Okay, let me run Python code so as we can see the output of fluids underscore A, which is a new Python list containing a fluid name which starts with letter A. As you can see here, this is fluids underscore A Python list which contains a fluid's name which starts with letter A. But here, this is I can say an advanced way, which is called the list comprehension, and this is a method every advanced Python programmer would use. Okay, you create a new list based on the values of existing list by using one line of code. Okay, and here on line number 16, this is a syntax for creating a new list, okay, by using list comprehension in Python. So here is the expression. This is for loop, okay, and at the end is if condition. Here is condition. So you can see list comprehension in Python has almost 3 parts, okay, crossed in square bracket. Here there is expression, here there is a for loop, and here there is condition. So let me uncomment this line, okay. Also let me uncomment, okay. Let me comment these lines. Let me do something like this. Okay, then after, let me run Python code. You can see we get the same result, okay, apple, okay, and so on. So this is how you can do list comprehension in Python. So this is example number 1. So let me comment these lines and show you another example. So let me say I want to get a list of all fluids which contains letter E. So I would like to do something like this. X for X in fluids if E in X. Okay. So if you get confused, make sure you refer back to this syntax of list comprehension. Here there is an expression. Okay, here there is for an item in iterable, for X in fluids. Okay, then the last thing is condition, if condition is true. Okay, fluids if E in X. So let me save this Python script, then let me run this script. You can see it returns a list of a fluid which contain letter E. Okay, here I can change. I can say maybe return fluid which contain letter C. Okay, let me run. You can see, so you can do anything you want, but I just want to tell you this is list comprehension in Python. Okay, so actually this is an end of our today's session. We have covered the list comprehension in Python. Put comment below what is your experience. Which method do you use to create a new list based on the values of existing list in Python? On my side, I use a powerful method which is called list comprehension. But also put comment, how is today's session? What things do you want to learn more in Python? I wanna see you on comment below. But also not forget to like, share this video and subscribe so as you can be updated on every Tuesday when we upload a new video. Thank you and see you in the next sessions.